हेलो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाला हूं जो ऑलमोस्ट सभी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल है। लेकिन अगर आप एसएससी जीडी 2026 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए और भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैंने इन क्वेश्चंस को कम्प्रीहेंसिव और शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट में प्रिपेयर किया है ताकि आप ईजी वे में याद रख सको और एग्जाम में बिल्कुल भी कन्फ्यूज ना हो। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें क्योंकि हर एक एमसीक्यू आपके एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर इज़ द हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड? The correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Question number 2. The Hunardo Cultural Festival is celebrated in which state? The correct answer is option B, Manipur. Question number 3. The Machel Matayatra is taken out every year in which state? The correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 4. The Kachai Lemon Festival was celebrated in January 2022 in which state? The correct answer is option B, Manipur. Question number 5. Where was the National Youth Festival celebrated recently? The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Question number 6. The Losar Festival is mainly celebrated in which region? The correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Question number 7. Nukai is a harvest festival of which state? The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Question number 8. The Kumbh Mela held in Prayagraj in 2025 lasted for how many days? The correct answer is option B, 45 days. Question number 9. The first ice climbing festival of Leh is celebrated in which valley? The correct answer is option B, Nubra Valley. Question number 10. The Bali Yatra festival is celebrated in which state? The correct answer is option B, Odisha. Question number 11. Reangoli Behu of Assam is celebrated in which month? The correct answer is option D, April. Question number 12. Which state won the Best Tableau Award on the 77th Republic Day? The correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 13. Who gave the idea of the Constituent Assembly of India? The correct answer is option B, M.N. Roy. Question number 14. Citizenship is discussed in which part of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, part 2nd. Question number 15. Fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1976. Question number 16. Who was the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 17. The Finance Commission is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 280. Question number 18. Right to education came into force on which date? The correct answer is option C, 1 April 2010. Question number 19. Which article deals with the protection of minorities? The correct answer is option C, Article 29. Question number 20. The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with. The correct answer is option C, anti-defection law. Question number 21. The Consolidated Fund of India is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 266. Question number 22. Village panchayats are mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 40. Question number 23. How many types of writs are there in India? The correct answer is option C, 5. Question number 24. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is mentioned in. The correct answer is option B, Article 338A. Question number 25. Under which article can the Supreme Court issue writs? The correct answer is option A, Article 32. Question number 26. Who served as President of India for 2 consecutive terms? The correct answer is option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 27. The concurrent list was borrowed from which country? The correct answer is option C, Australia. Question number 28. Who is known as the father of modern India? The correct answer is option B, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question number 29. Subhas Chandra Bose formed the Tiger Legion in which country? The correct answer is option C, Germany. Question number 30. The first East India Company factory in eastern India was set up at. The correct answer is option C, Hariharpur. Question number 31. Which system was started by Lord Cornwallis? The correct answer is option C, Permanent Settlement and Daroga system. Question number 32. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? The correct answer is option B, Lord Canning. Question number 33. Who founded the All India Harijan Sangh? The correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 34. Who called the Quit India movement a spontaneous revolution? The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 35. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? The correct answer is option C, Warren Hastings. Question number 36. What was the main principle of the Brahmo Samaj? The correct answer is option C, monotheism. Question number 37. Who founded the Satyashodak Samaj? The correct answer is option B, Jyotiba Phule. Question number 38. Who named the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is option B, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 39. Who remained Congress president from 1940 to 1946? The correct answer is option C, Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 40. The Vernacular Press Act was introduced during whose tenure? The correct answer is option C, Lytton. Question number 41. Who was the first Mughal ruler of India? The correct answer is option C, Babur. Question number 42. Sir Thomas Roe was sent an envoy to the court of which Mughal emperor? Please comment your answer and subscribe to the channel for watching the latest videos. Thank you for watching.